The participants here today are learning how to become driving instructors. They've come from a variety of organisations and they're incredibly motivated and excited to be able to take their new skills back to their organisations.
So we've come to Kalgoorlie, we're doing our driver training course to get our formal qualification to be a driving instructor in WA.
At the moment we're driver mentors, we're not driver instructor qualified, so that's what I'm doing here today.
Being able to be in the classroom and then go out to the car and practice it has been hugely beneficial for me in my learning.
It certainly helps to learn a lot more of the technical side of things you don't necessarily know. So yeah, I've enjoyed that part.
A lot of our clients have had contact with the justice system, drug and alcohol, homelessness, have left education. So they don't have access to a car or a reliable person that can help them get their hours up, and that's where the McGovern Foundation comes in.
Well, the driver's licence is more than just an identity card. It allows you entry into employment, social activities.
It unlocks the region for them. They're able to travel outside of the region, they're able to transport family, they're able to help with medical appointments, transport kids to and from school.
Just bringing it to different parts of regional Western Australia, I think is really intuitive by the Department of Transport. Without their help or without the Driver Access and Equity program, we would not be able to first venture out there. I think that's the biggest thing that we want to be leaving the course with, is that qualification to then further the help and the work that we're trying to do.